guys, it's Samani Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment, say happy Thursday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, honestly speaking, there's no difference between Utana and Sembo and Isengani Lengani. Do you still remember we used to shout Siyacela, saying Siyacela always? Guys, like his western siyacela guys, he doesn't care. Izingane zesithembu umpubelelo uyafana nobaba ke guys. So guys, not Musamsaleko telling Umakwela, you're not my wife, you're a baby machine. Makwela has only one job and is to make babies for me. So people are saying, oh, no man, Musamsaleko, he doesn't love Makwela guys. Makwela is still young, you can go back home and start a new family guys. People have noticed what I man December season 9 umusakamseleka kancane uyavela guys. The only wife he loves the Umayini guys. No matter what Mayini she said, umusamseleka will forgive and forget when it comes to Mayini. Maybe it's because Umayini gave birth to Mpumelelo Mseleko guys. You know, when it comes to Magdalene, it's because Magdalene agree with everything that umusamseleko he's saying. No wonder why he's always comfortable around Magdalene guys. When it comes to Mangwabe, she's surviving because uyahamba. You know, when you are hamba in Musamsaleko uyaka umdeni guys. So the only way he loves Mangwabe is because Mangwabe, she's fighting, she's using that method of hamba for Musamsaleko to pay attention. So when it comes to Toby, the things that she was saying go Toby Msaleko guys, I feel like Musamsaleko really hates Toby guys, you know. This has nothing to do with money. Utobile guys, she has been there supporting Umakwele financially, making sure the wives are fine financially. Remember, Umangwabe, she's a nurse. Umayini has a job in municipality, but Tobile used to make sure she covers some of the bills to help Musamsaleko. But right now, the same person she was busy helping has turned against her guys. The people are saying actually Musamsaleko wants Tobile to transfer all the money she has into his bank account so that he can love Tobile. He loves Tobile with a reason. He doesn't love. So as for Makwela guys, the Velenje, we have noticed he doesn't care Makwela, she's just a baby machine. So guys, the coolest season is their colors, their penduka. You know, I really feel sorry for Makwela guys. You know, she has the opportunity to walk away. You know, she can still walk away. You know, it's not too late. Yes, for the other wives, I don't know the reason why they are still there guys. Maybe it's because of being Musamsaleko. You know, being Msaleko, it's a titlement. I don't know what it is guys, what they are doing there. So anyway guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.